Heavy rain lashes Chennai and several areas are waterlogged. Predicted thunderstorms with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over a few districts of Tamil Nadu. The department also predicted moderate rain at isolated places over Kuddalore, Kallakurichi, Villupuram, Ranipet, Vellore, Tiruvannamalai, Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli and Tenkashi districts of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Earlier on Wednesday, the Tamil Nadu Revenue and Disaster Management Minister KKSSR Ramchandran informed that the death toll due to heavy rainfall in the state stands at 12.